How to install Linux on your Chromebook, Android Central. Chromebooks can do a lot right out of the box. However, if you want just a little more, you can install Linux apps to most newer models, see the full list here, and have access to a complete catalog of desktop-class applications. Your Chromebook already runs Linux because Chrome is its own Linux distribution. But it's a very locked-down version without access to most Linux tools and programs by default. Luckily, turning everything on is easy. Read and follow the simple on-screen prompts and wait for things to finish. This could take 10 to 15 minutes. Once the terminal window opens, you are ready to type Linux commands. You can always find the Linux terminal in your app drawer if you choose to close it now. At the terminal command prompt, type the following command to update your package list and packages themselves, sudo apt-get update and sudo apt-get dist upgrade. Be sure to use the correct spacing when typing this command. You are now ready to install and run most any Linux program found in the base Debian stretch repositories. A full list of them can be found here. Not every piece of Linux software will work on your Chromebook. And all Linux programs run inside the same sandbox. You also can't use the microphone or webcam. And hardware acceleration is not yet supported. You'll still find a lot of great software that can make your Chromebook more useful and powerful. The Pixelbook Go is the best premium Chromebook you can buy right now. It doesn't support a pen or fold over onto itself. But for getting work done on a laptop that's purely a laptop. It's tough to beat it. The Pixelbook Go is one of the more expensive Chromebooks on the market. But for all you get, it's worth it. You get a fantastic keyboard, excellent battery life, and an assistant key that lets you connect to the company's smart assistant at any time. It is, like we said, pricey. But there are plenty of other great Chromebooks out there if you're looking for something different. Laptop speakers suck. Here are a few easy ways to go from "aw" to "aw yeah" when listening to your Chromebook. You might make do just fine with the trackpad on your Chromebook. But sometimes, a wireless mouse can come in handy. Whether it's to flip back and forth easily through columns on a spreadsheet, navigate multiple documents, or play an intense video game. Pretty well any wireless mouse will work with your Chromebook as well as other laptops in the household. If you are a frequent traveler and want a way to keep your Chromebook protected, then you are in luck. We have found and compiled a list of the best backpacks that you can get for your Chromebook in 2020. Jerry is Mobile Nation's resident nerd and proud of it. There's nothing he can't take apart. But many things he can't reassemble. You'll find him across the Mobile Nation's network and you can hit him up on Twitter if you want to say hey. Text source, AndroidCentral.com.